Good morning, student. I am Sonika Lohan, your computer teacher. So yesterday we have studied about database. So let's start with a new topic, which is disadvantages of creating a database manually. So first one is chances of committing errors. So whenever we are making a database on a paper, so there are so many chances of committing mistakes. Second one is time and energy consuming. So students, if we are making a database on a computer, it is not very time consuming. But whenever we are making it manually or on a paper, it will be a time and energy consuming. The next one is updation or modification of record is difficult. Students, if we are making a database or our data collection on a paper, it will be very difficult for us to update and modify it. That means we cannot delete it and modify it without using a eraser or a cutting. But in a database or electronic database, we can do it in an easy way. So let us understand what is DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. DBMS stands for Database Management System. So what are database management system? Database management system are some software which are used to make a database. It allows us to store, modify and extract information from a database. So these are the software which are used to make database. There are so many types of DBMS are there which we use to make records and to update the data in a database. So let us see the examples of database, which is Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access. Students, we have seen that we used to make our data collection in Microsoft Excel also and Microsoft Access also and LibreOffice Base also, which we are studying right now. Students, if you are not having LibreOffice in your computer, you can do it on MS Access also. So what are the advantages of computerized database? Means what are the advantages or benefits whenever we are making a database on a computer? So first one is allows fast data handling. That means we can update or modify our data fast or we can do it fastly. Second one is reduces the chances of errors. As I have told you, whenever we are making our data on the computer, it reduces the chances of mistakes, right? As we are making it on the computer, so there won't be too much of mistakes there. Third one is environmental friendly. How it is environmental friendly? Because we are not using pen and papers. That means we are not cutting trees. I hope you all know whenever we are using papers, we are using or we are cutting our trees for that. So it is environmental friendly also. So let us understand what are the types of database. Means how many types of database are there and how many database we can make. So there are mainly two types of database. First one is flat file database. Flat file database is a database which is used to make only one type of database. It refers to a file containing records without any structured relationship. Means there is no connection between two tables. Only one table is there. We can take example MS Excel and LibreOffice Calc. That means we are calculating our data in a particular software. Second one is relational database. So what is the difference from data file? It stores data into several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. That means in relational database, we relate two or more tables together. For example, if I want to add two tables data together, I can do it with the help of relational database. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and stay safe.